What's up guys, Matt here. I'm here with the Volkswagen Golf R. Today I'm going to be changing out some of the fluids before winter, getting this car ready for the snow, going through everything and just making sure everything is ready to go for this winter. I'll take you along and show you exactly what I'm doing. Let's get into it.
I'm going to format this video in a slightly different way. Unfortunately, I have quite a bad cold, so you're not going to want to listen to me talk throughout this whole video. I'm going to show you what I'm doing without any voiceover or any instruction. If you'd like more specific information regarding torque specs, the tools I used, or anything else, you can either let me know in the comments section and I'll try to answer those as quickly as possible. Otherwise, I've already detailed the oil change procedure for this vehicle. I'll link that up in the top right-hand corner of the screen. With that said, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video.
All right, so we got the oil changed on the Golf R. We also checked the catch can and emptied it out, topped up the coolant tank, and topped up the windshield washer fluid. This thing should be ready to go for winter. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like more content like this, consider subscribing to the channel. Huge thanks to ECS Tuning for providing all the parts that were featured in this video. I will have a link to all of those parts in the description below. If you do go through those links, you decide to buy something from ECS Tuning, I get a small kickback. Really helps the channel. So go check out ECS Tuning. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.